your host, Mommy, and our first contestant, all the way from her room down the hallway, it's Sophia! Come on down.
Welcome to Learning League. Welcome to
Sight words, exercise, trivia, balloon, game.
Hello, guys.
Hi, guys.
Hello, guys.
So, welcome to our channel. We are...
You guys, you know I have a tattoo.
Ooh, she got a tattoo.
Yeah, I got it from Mommy.
All right, we are Learning League. We make educational kids videos. So welcome and welcome back to our channel.
I'm letting, while we do this channel, I'm gonna let, my tattoo, drop.
Okay.
So I cannot come off.
So today it's been raining all day.
Yeah, all day.
Last night it rained. Today it rained. We can't get outside to go play in the snow.
But we can do videos.
We can do videos. So I created...
We play in our house and stuff. We cannot go outside because we're distracted with all of these playing stuff.
You're right. So we're a little bit hyper today, as you can tell.
Yes, I'm really excited. When we put that tattoo on, I was cold on my neck.
Yeah. So I created a game. It's a sight word exercise mashup type of game. And I will be back to explain the rules. Are you ready to play the game?
Yes.
Where'd you go?
I made this balloon for my
What does it say on it?
Sophia, my name.
Sophia. All right. We'll be back in a minute.
I blew this up all by myself.
She did. She did a really good job.
Yes, I did.
All right. We'll be back in a minute. Hello. Welcome to our sight word and exercise mashup game. I am your announcer, your host, Mommy, and our first contestant, all the way from her room down the hallway, it's Sophia! Come on down. All right, tell us a little bit about yourself, Sophia.
I love to run. And I made this balloon.
Okay, we've got all kinds of different balloons with different words on them. When I say go, you are to race all the way from here, which is your start point, to the balloon and pick a word.
I can't play out of this.
Right, because you already know that word. All right. When you bring it back to me, you must say the word that is on the balloon. If you do not know the word, you need to sound it out. Okay?
I don't know all of it.
I know, that's why it's challenging.
Oh, I know this.
Okay, hold on. We're not ready yet. Each balloon is worth 1 point. So, if you get all the balloons, how many points will you have? Count them. 8 points in total. There may be a bonus round if you do well. All right. Please come over here to your starting point. Your mark. Get set, go. Which word will she pick first?
Is.
Turn it around. Let me see it.
Is.
That is incorrect. Sound it out. O.
O.
Okay, put them together.
So.
Okay, put it in the box.
Okay.
That is 1 point.
If all of them don't fit, we can put some.
Yeah, we'll just put them over here. All right, come back to your starting line. All right, on your mark, get set, go. What is that word?
I do not know, so.
Okay, turn it around here.
B-E.
B-E.
B.
B, good job. You got that one right away.
Yeah,
Put it in the box for another point. That is 2 points in total.
It's not fair.
That's okay. Come back to your starting point. On your mark, get set, go. Do you know that one?
No.
Okay, sound it out. Me.
Me.
Me. Perfect job. 3 points in total. Back to your starting point. On your mark, get set. False start. Come back. Do I have to penalize you? No, no, no. No, no, no. Doesn't count. Put it down and come back to your starting point.
Whoa!
On your mark. Sophie.
Sorry.
Go.
I need a big one.
All right, what is that word? Oh. Oh. Good job. That is 4 points in total. All right, she's doing well, folks. Come on over. On your mark, get set, go. What will be her next challenging word? Okay, that one's a hard one.
I hope I get a bonus try.
A bonus try? Well, we'll see.
What?
This one's tricky, okay?
Shaw.
It's who.
Who?
Good job, who. How many points is that?
I think
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you've got 2 more points to earn. Come back to your starting point.
thank you, announcer.
On your mark, get set, go.
I'm
Okay.
so fast because I picked right now.
You're right. What is that word? Say. Say.
Let's put one in the box.
Okay, you've got 1 more point left. Do you think you can do it?
Yes.
All right.
I'm fast.
On your
I
mark,
can do it right now.
get set, go. Ooh, this one rhymes with the last word. What do you think it says? Your last word was say. This one is a.
Day.
Day. And she did it, folks. I don't know how.
A bonus?
Round of applause, and we will do a bonus round. And after these commercials, we are back from your short messages to do the bonus round. Are you ready, Sophia? Well, you've got to come here so you can listen to your challenge for your bonus round. This is worth 2 points.
Wow.
Okay? Your challenge is to bring me a word that has 3 letters.
Wow, that's easy.
Come to your starting point, please.
I have packets.
On your mark, get set, go. How many letters does that have? Let's count together. 1, 2, and 3 for 2 points. What is that word? Say. say, and she does it, folks. Good job. All right, we will see you next time on Word Exercise Game. Sophia, what did you learn with this game?
I learned so.
So?
That's only I learned.
Yep, that's a word. So, S-O is so.
So,
Do you like this game?
yes,
Do you want to play it again?
yes. Oh, we need to do something.
Yeah, we're going to do some extra stuff with it.
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
it's a boring day without it.
yeah, yeah.
All right, we'll see you guys next time
Bye.
on Learningly.